If you are facing problem to use Apple Music in your iPhone, this 5-minute solution will show you how to fix the operation could not be completed error in Apple Music. So the first solution is offload the app. To do that, go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, search for Apple Music, and offload this app and reinstall it, and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is tap on your name, tap on iCloud, and here search for Apple Music. You have to enable Apple Music here. And the third solution is enable app background refresh. Go to General, tap on background app refresh, tap on background app refresh and select Wi-Fi and mobile data, and make sure to enable Apple Music here. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Apple Music and reinstall it from App Store. And hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.